What if I tell you that one daily habit you're doing right now is silently damaging your DNA, and you don't feel any pain, no symptoms, no warning, until aging, disease, and weakness start showing up? And Harvard scientist Dr. David Sinclair says this damage accumulates every single day. This is not smoking, not sugar, not junk food. This habit looks completely normal. Almost everyone does it. But at the cellular level, it's slowly destroying your DNA repair system. Dr. David Sinclair, professor of genetics at Harvard Medical School, has spent decades studying why we age. According to him, aging is not just wrinkles or hair loss. Aging begins when your DNA starts losing information. And this one habit speeds that loss up dramatically. So let's start the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. What DNA damage actually means. Every cell in your body contains DNA, a blueprint that tells your body how to function, repair, and survive. But DNA is fragile. Every day it gets damaged by stress, environment, and lifestyle. Normally, your body repairs this damage. But Dr. Sinclair explains, when DNA damage outpaces repair, aging accelerates. So what is this one daily habit? Chronic lack of proper sleep, and irregular sleep timing. Why sleep destroys DNA. Dr. Sinclair explains that sleep is when your DNA repair systems turn on. During deep sleep, your body activates proteins called sirtuins, the same proteins responsible for longevity. When you sleep late, wake up at random times, or cut sleep short, those repair systems don't activate fully. So DNA damage stays inside your cells. Dr. Rhonda Patrick perspective. Dr. Rhonda Patrick, a biomedical scientist, explains something even more alarming. Poor sleep increases oxidative stress and inflammation, two direct causes of DNA strand breaks. She points out that even one bad night of sleep can increase markers of DNA damage. Now, imagine years of it. Why people don't notice? Here's the dangerous part. You won't feel DNA damage. No pain, no fever, no immediate symptom. But inside your cells, your chromosomes are fraying, your telomeres shorten faster, and your biological age increases. Aging versus time. Dr. Sinclair says aging is not about time passing. It's about information loss. Poor sleep accelerates that loss. That's why two people of the same age can look and feel completely different. Many people think, I'll recover on weekends. But both Dr. Sinclair and Dr. Rhonda Patrick agree. Sleep debt cannot be fully repaid. DNA damage accumulates. Why modern life makes it worse. Screens at night, blue light, late scrolling. They suppress melatonin, the hormone that protects your DNA. So modern life is quietly aging people faster than ever before. So let's recap. This one habit, irregular, insufficient sleep, doesn't just make you tired. It damages DNA, weakens repair systems, shortens lifespan, and accelerates aging. Dr. Sinclair says the good news is DNA damage is not permanent, but only if you activate the repair systems correctly. In the next video, I'll explain how to turn DNA repair back on naturally, according to Harvard research. If this surprised you, comment DNA below. And subscribe, because most people are aging faster without even knowing why.